You're listening or watching the software developer in 21st century becoming awakened. So today I'm going to talk about the way programmers, developers think. Well, the software developers mostly doesn't spend too much emotion on why things doesn't work, and they dive deep into the programming code and analyze and inspect how things work, where how the variables in the process of some algorithm change, and try to fix it. It is mostly problem-solving way of thinking, because when a developer has a specification and writes down a software program, the basis of the algorithm. After that, it is running and debugging hundreds and thousands and millions of time, so to fix and to make the algorithm work 100% of the inputs, and even with the wrong inputs and with the right. So software developing is about analyzing how things work. So to extend this outside of the code, the matrix is works a little bit like this. So you need to make money. We live in an economic world, and to live inside the matrix with other people, one should make money. But to make money, you need to attract people to you, and to attract people to you, you have to be packaged in some way to make them feel emotional about the thing you do, and to create, for example, tools that are useful, uh, is really a thing that creates emotion. Because when things work, the conscious mind, actually puts the stuff in the unconscious mind, and even puts it in dormant state, in sleeping state. So this is a little bit like paragraph 22, that if you have read this book. So another thing, to be able to reach people, you need psychology, making attachments, making some links in the mind, creating emotions, and this is marketing and branding. Another thing is the selling part, the closing part, that uses limited time offers, like social recommendations, and also the promotion that is time limit, and also, let me think about it. Time limitations, promotions. Right now I cannot think of the others, but it is mostly creating not logical links in the mind, and this is totally opposite to the way software thinks, because software developer thinks is about the tool, about the logic, about the algorithm, and about the flow of different variables. So more and more I find for myself a need, I think a need for myself to understand how things work outside of the programming code, and to actually write some code in quotes, and to experiment different things outside of the code. And this is something that is super cool, to be proactive, to create something and put it out, create something and put it out, and see what is the feedback. This is something that many software developers, including me, lose focus on it, to try to search the problems of others and try to fix them. Because just recently, this week, I've talked with several individuals that are not technical people, not away from the software, and I saw the link between their what are they doing and a way that could be programmed, developed, that could automate things, and to make the things that they work be done with just few clicks on the phone, on the both ends. So this is something like a paragraph 22. You need to the software developer thinks in terms of like to create tools and to automate things and to put things in the background, in the unconscious thinking of the individuals, and to actually reach the people that will use the thing you want to create. You need to make the thing you do in the conscious. You must put it in the conscious and create these links in the mind, in the psychology. So this is it. It's a little bit hard to be zoomed out of the programming code or the how things work, and to do the things correctly, so to make them work, to embed the tool you create to the people. I don't know if anybody understand me correctly. It is something too ambiguous, I think is the word, is another word that could describe it.